Hello, I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing your radon fan may be failing or not working. So I've got two fans that have failed and one that is working, and we'll show you what that sounds like, and hopefully it'll help you determine if it's time to replace your fan. So we've got the RP145C. I pulled this out of a house probably a couple months ago now, and we'll plug it in and see what it sounds like. So we still have airflow, so it's still working, but those bearings are starting to get loud. So the customer on this fan heard that noise for about a week, and then one morning it stopped. So it wasn't making that noise, it sounded more like this one. And I was able to kind of free it up by spinning it, just in playing around with it after I installed a new fan. And then we've got the XP201C. So we'll plug this one in and see what it sounds like. So the impeller is not spinning on this one. No airflow. And it's just making that humming noise. You can see that impeller is not spinning. So this fan is only consuming electricity right now. It's not working to move air, so it would not reduce your radon levels. So if that's what your fan is doing, unlike this one, you could go ahead and unplug that because it's not doing you any good. And then we've got the RP145. So this one is working, and we'll show you what a working fan sounds like. We've got airflow. But we don't have the bearing noise like we have with this one. So another indication that your fan maybe has failed is that if you look at your YouTube manometer, which should be on the pipe, typically this is in the garage or in the basement, mounted to the side of the radon mitigation system pipe, and you want the fluid levels to be different. Yours is gonna vary, so it might be higher, a lot different than this, or it might be very close to the same on both sides. But if it is the same on both sides, it's a good indication that your fan is not working, or at least your radon system is not moving any air. So it could be caused by a failed or failing fan, or your system has frozen up, which is pretty common here in Minnesota. When it gets to 20 below, we get some freeze up calls. And it could be the system is blocked with ice that would make this equal on both sides. If you would like to purchase any of these fans, we'll put links to these in the description. I'm Jesse with American Radon. Thank you so much for watching.